Hi and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Grand Hyatt SFO. This hotel is conveniently connected to San Francisco International Airport via the AirTrain, which takes guests to all terminals in just minutes. The lobby is on the 4th floor, featuring high ceilings, plenty of seating, and a monitor that keeps you updated on flights taking off and landing. The hotel's modern design and artwork create a truly classy and luxurious atmosphere. Also in the lobby is a small market, cafe, and a bar. We used a category 1 to 7 free night certificate for this overnight staycation trip, and I feel it was well worth it. We had a lovely stay on the 10th floor in a room with 2 double beds and amazing runway views. It's about 350 square feet, which is a bit snug for our family of 4, but it was perfect for just one night. The room was spotless and bright with floor-to-ceiling windows that let in all the light. Lighting was just right, with a small workspace and sufficient storage. Additionally, we had a coffee maker and a mini fridge. The views were truly unique and the windows kept the noise out nicely. For anyone who loves airplanes, there was even an airplane reference guide and binoculars to make the experience extra fun. The bathroom is clean and inviting with a large walk-in shower, though water did leak out under the door. It's well lit and the hotel provides basic amenities, including this scale. A small but usable closet is at the entryway, while a foam roller is readily available for post-day stretching. The Grand Club is one of the better ones in the San Francisco Bay Area. The seating is roomy and comfy, offering some truly unique views. The food and drink options are fantastic, with a wide variety of cold and hot dishes, including sushi and dessert. Plus, there's an honor bar with a good selection at a fair price. Located on the floor level is the fitness center, complete with plenty of cardio and strength training equipment. Several Peloton bikes are provided and members are able to earn World of Hyatt points on select workouts. I was able to get one ride in and was rewarded 100 points. Parking is valet only and available for a fee of $75. Additionally, complimentary EV charging is available. Quail and Crane is the on-site restaurant, and as a Hyatt Globalist Elite Status member, our family was offered complimentary breakfast. At the Grand Club, just granola bars, fruit, cereal, and yogurt were provided. The menu at the restaurant featured many creative and tasty selections, including spam fried rice, crab cake eggs benedict, and avocado toast with vegan mung bean eggs. The AirTrain entrance is conveniently located near the lobby with a dedicated stop exclusively for the hotel. We boarded the AirTrain and leisurely strolled through the various terminals, including a brief visit to the Sky Terrace in Terminal 2. From there, we gained a unique perspective of the airport. In the International Terminal is the Aviation Museum and Library, also worth a stop. Overall, a really wonderful stay here at the Grand Hyatt SFO. It sets a very high bar for any airport transit hotel based off hotel conditions, friendly service, Grand Club amenities, clean rooms, and easy access to the airport. As a Category 6 World of Hyatt hotel point redemption, this hotel demonstrates sophistication, luxury, and class. What do you think? Thanks for watching!